Katrina.
Hi guys. Say hi guys.
Hi guys. Katrina.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Hart. This is Ariana, and this is my mom Zen.
I'm Zen.
No,
What are we gonna do today?
Ariana.
I'm El Mariana.
Time to unbox.
Some books. We're gonna do a collective unboxing with Baby Heart.
And
We're
I'm
for
cutting this.
four, I think four.
Mommy.
I did 4 orders in Blackwell's. Blackwell's is a bookstore in the UK. Their books are so much cheaper with free shipping and tax is already included in the price of the books. I've got Book of the Month.
Book of the month.
I've got a bag from,
A novel.
and I've got these from.
Amazon Prime.
Okay, so Hart is gonna open our Book of the Month. Go Hart.
Okay.
Open the book.
It's hard to open this.
Yeah.
A video.
Oh, makita ka.
A video.
Ew.
Ew.
Dili na ko i-edit. So this is our Book of the
I'm
Month.
sorry.
What's the title of our Book of the Month?
My books think I'm cool.
It's Mercury.
Book of the month.
And they sent us
Something.
a bookmark.
I'll read it.
Okay.
My books think I'm cool. What?
Huh?
You got Grace taste.
I do.
Me too.
Too.
Yeah.
And we're going to show them our Barnes and Noble book.
Carnival.
First, we've got
Mommy, when I make that sound, I sound like a baby, but I'm
Abby
just making
Jimenez.
some. Huh?
Abby Jimenez, yours truly.
This one is the Cool Prince Holy Black. I
So
saw
this
black.
is the collector's edition of The Cruel Prince.
Mommy, when I make that sound, it makes me sound like a baby. I'm not trying to say stuff like a baby.
I know.
That's just how my sound sounds like.
But it sounds like a baby to me.
A baby.
Okay, show them our book.
The last
Look at that.
one.
Not yet. We'll open this one first. Look.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
so pretty. Look how pretty that is.
There's a bookmark, but this is not actually a bookmark.
And when you open the book,
It does say collector's edition.
gosh, it's so pretty.
Oh, there's some stuff. Oh wait, I got it upside down.
This book is so adorbs. So
Wait,
adorbs.
no one says that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but we have to say the truth.
But I say adorbs. I already said it.
This is named Christiana Lauren, the True Love.
The True Love. The True Love Experiment.
It's exclusive.
Christina Lauren.
Exclusive. It's the exclusive.
Barnes and Noble exclusive.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Sesame Street. It's the Elmo.
There's just nothing inside.
Mommy, look at.
Yeah, we'll save the best for last. Now we're gonna open our Amazon
Katrina,
package.
Katrina.
This is Lisa Jewel. None of this is true. That's how it looks like. It's so
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
pretty.
I And this is also how I look like. Okay. Can I cut it?
Oh my god!
Britney Spears. Britney Spears.
What's this?
Britney Spears.
Britney Spears.
I said Britney Spears. And Spears. And the other one we have got A Quiet Life.
Oh,
A Quiet Life, a novel.
Aww.
Ethan. Jola. Author of A Little Hope.
This is a pretty book.
What? Let me show them the other one.
Hold on. Let's do it one at a time, Mar.
Now let's do two at a time. We have got A Quiet Life. Wait, let me get it closer. A Quiet Life.
And
Exhibitors.
last box.
But exhibitors is not a word. That was easy. Let me show them. Let me. Okay. First we got maybe you should talk to someone. I'm not saying that for real. It's the name of the book for real.
This is from Lori Gottlieb. How do you say her last name?
Which one do you want to do? This one or this one? Mommy, which one do you want to do? This one? Okay. We have got love and other words.
So they can see the writing. Oh, not that close.
Why? You said close.
I like this. You see the texture? It's nice.
It feels nice too.
Yeah.
That's why they should buy it.
What's the other one?
The other one reminders of him.
Farther.
Wait, clean over.
Yeah, this has got a nice texture. That's a beautiful
Yes.
book.
Oh! I'm touching your foot. Why are you just
No.
like that? And then we have got maybe last one. What the? Ooh. That is disrespectful, but I'm gonna show
Oh, it's a
it.
joke. It's a joke.
This we got. I'm glad my mom died.
What do you say?
Huh?
It's disrespectful. Yeah.
You can never disrespect someone that has died.
Okay. How about this one?
The Heaven and Earth Grocery Store by James McBride. Is this how you say it?
Yeah, they're just down a little bit.
1,000 Heartbeats.
1,000 heartbeats.
Hey, yeah! Lay down.
The
Oh,
happiest man on earth.
yep.
And now
For the last four.
I'm so excited for this.
That's a satisfying grip. Yeah. That satisfied me.
Now we'll open our books from Blackwell's. Blackwell's.
Okay.
Okay. Open it.
Here, wait a minute. Okay, I'll be careful. This one, we have got this. And then we got Once Upon a Broken Heart.
Look at the cover. It's so pretty. Oh my
Jinx.
gosh.
And then we're opening this
Not yet,
second
not yet.
after this. It's pretty.
It's pretty.
I lost the satisfaction. Okay, it's another one, but it's called A Curse for True Love. Is there?
Show them the cover. The back. The back. It's so pretty. Yeah. This is the back.
And then we're about to do the third.
Look at her.
About to.
Oh. I only have this.
Yeah, I like red. Rebecca Ross, Ruthless Fouls. I made a tippity tap again.
What's that?
#1 best-selling author Stephanie Garber again.
Garber.
Garber. Final.
Finale.
Finale.
Ooh, the legendary is so pretty.
Legends and lattes.
Lattes.
Legends and lattes. Huh? I was about to show it.
Legends and lattes. The last one.